Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to purchase or buy a midnight bundle or a ninth bundle on AirtelTigo. That's 80 Ghana. Yeah, so if you are thinking of buying a midnight bundle for your AirtelTigo SIM, then this video is for you. So dial the USSD code *111#. Dial this code, yeah, and select option 4. That's the Sika Koko and other bundles. So select option 4. Yeah, and from the list, select 3. That's the ninth pack, no expiry. So select 3. Yeah, and in here you can choose the offer or the package that you want, whether you want 4.5 gig or 7.5 gig. So select the one that you want. Yeah, and select 1. That's if you are buying for yourself, select 1. If you want to buy it for a friend or any other person, then select 2. So if you want to buy it for yourself, then select 1. Yeah, so option to pay. If you want to buy using AT money, then select option 2. If you want to buy using your airtime, then select option 1. So option 1, airtime. Yeah, and that's it. You successfully purchased your midnight bundle. Yeah, so that's how simple and easy it is to and helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and give a sweet comment. And don't forget, I have a playlist that you can, get to know more about AirtelTigo, the offers that you have for you, and a lot of tips that you need to know when you're an AirtelTigo user or an 80 Ghana user. Yeah. So see you in the next video.